Bitcoin is actually going to dip. Bitcoin is going to, oh, Bitcoin is dipping. What the fuck is happening to Bitcoin? Bitcoin is going to 20k dollars. Well, actually, I don't think that's possible. And if Bitcoin is even going to 20k dollars, well, we should have known. We should have known by now. Yeah, that's because um, for the past days we have been seeing this Bitcoin movement. Actually, we have been seeing this Bitcoin movement about we have about nine green candles. I mean nine green candles. Actually, I wanna want to wait for a kind of retracement because Bitcoin is not that type that will just go to the moon like boom, moon boy. No, it's not possible. It has to come back, okay, retrace, then before it goes back up. That's how Bitcoin. That's the history of Bitcoin. That's the history of Ethereum, other coin. They have to retrace. Now I'm going to be showing you something on my analysis actually on TradingView actually. Now look at this now. Okay, look at this. Let me show you something. Okay, yeah. Look at on the daily now. Look at this. See this. Perfect. As you can see, we have one, two, three, four, five, six, around nine green candles. Wow. I want meant to wait for retracement. I mean, those that bought at this level are actually okay, beautiful, yeah. So the thing is, our plan was Bitcoin is actually going to 42k then break 42k, but actually at the end of the day, we didn't break through 42k. We didn't break through this 42k level. Okay, we didn't break through. It was not. I don't know. Maybe the bulls were not strong, and the momentum at this path, it was declining. It was declining. So we're actually supposed to wait for a retracement, and I'll show you what I mean by the retracement. I'll bring out the Fibonacci retracement. Yeah. So that's it. So you take it from the bottom to the top of the trend actually. Okay, can you see? Now, usually when we see a coin go up like this, boom. Okay, when we see a coin go up like this, I'm going to wait for a retracement because it can't just go boom, boom, boom. It's not possible. It will actually go like this, then hold on. So actually go like this, then retrace, then go. That's how it must actually face a pullback. There must actually be a pullback for the Bitcoin price. So I will show you how I'm going to use the fib retracement. And can you see this now? I drew the fib retracement perfectly well. Look at this now. Mostly when we see a trend, it actually retraces to the 0.382 level, or sometimes zero 0.5, which is the most occurring one. It retraces to the zero 0.5. So you can even say Bitcoin is actually going to go all the way to this point or this point. And in some rare cases, you can see Bitcoin goes down to the 0.618, which is the 34k. But actually, there is a strong resistance at this 36k price zone. So I don't think Bitcoin is going to go lower than that, on my own opinion, actually. So you don't have to panic. Whenever you see a trend like this, you can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, almost 10 green candles. I mean, you must wait for a retracement. So if you want to make a buy, like I'm going to make a buy at the 36k5 zone. Okay, that's my own opinion. And let me show you Ethereum also. Let me show you Ethereum. I don't know, things are just getting weird and people are panicking. They're selling their. No, if you've bought Ethereum already or bought Bitcoin, you don't have to panic sell your coin. You just have to hold on, relax, relax. Okay, as you can see, Ethereum. Oh, wow, beautiful. Ethereum has about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost 13 green candles. Wow. Is it not ripe for retracement? I think it's ripe. This is the best time for it to retrace. Let me bring out the Fibonacci retracement. Remember, we take it from the bottom to the top of the trend. Okay, can you see? This is beautiful. Now, it took a bounce at the 2k 40, 2,400 zone actually, and as I said earlier, most likely it traces to the the 0.382, which is 2,300, or down to 0.5, which is the 2,200 zone. So it depends, actually. It depends. If the bulls don't get back on track, definitely we might see down to this place. Well, I placed my position actually, and I'm going to be buying at a certain point. Yeah, because I expect Ethereum and Bitcoin to fall to the downside, most likely. Yeah. So also let me show you this. Actually, let me show you this. Let me remove this feed. If you look at the 4 hour also, we will see that um there's this trend. If you look at this trend, holding Ethereum from down, this red trend here. As you can see, Ethereum just broke, although it can fall in back. But if Bitcoin does another thing, well, it might not. But if we see Ethereum break below 2K4, then it might probably end up at 2K3 or 2K. Okay, just set your buy orders and know how you can manage your risk. And because um, from my own point of view, actually, it's still going to edge to the downside. So yeah, you don't have to panic. You don't have to panic. You don't have to panic. All you have to do is just that. It's just that. Okay, can you see my face? Okay. Okay. It's just that we need to buy low and sell high. We should not buy high and end up selling low. I think that's not a good idea. Actually, that's not a good idea. That's not a pro idea. That's not a you know probably might be a newbie or a beginner in the crypto space. So you must actually learn and develop the habit to buy low and sell high instead of. Let me show you. I'm actually at the stadium actually, and once I'm done with this video, I'm going to join them. As you can see, I play basketball a lot, so let's leave that aside actually. So if you enjoyed my video, don't forget this is a official 490. My name is Success, and I bring you this cryptocurrency video. Actually, I've introduced myself in the beginning, but since you guys are panicking, you're panic selling don't get liquidated. Actually, if you are trading the futures market or the derivative market or so-called anything you call it, so just be careful. Don't get liquidated, and make sure you like this video if you really enjoyed my, because I'll be making more updates on cryptocurrency based videos. I can teach you how to use some indicators. Okay, some indicators. Yeah, I can teach you how to use some indicators, and it would be very nice to subscribe to my channel, because I want want you guys to miss out. We have the RSI, we have the the EMA ribbon, and so many other. If you want to learn more about crypto, just make sure you subscribe to the channel, and wish you guys luck. Don't forget, don't get liquidated. Have a great day.